Good morning, everyone. So, it hasn't been the most eventful week, but yeah, hope you guys have had a profitable week if you took any trades. As far as I'm aware, I believe there is no NFP today, but I might be wrong. But from what I've seen, I can't seem to find an Forex Factory is down, but the other places I don't see NFP on the roster today, so I don't know, keep that in mind. But yeah, let's take a look at the charts. So EURUSD, again, we've just been pushing up higher and then we've just been stalling right here under the zone, which is fine. To be honest, I would always prefer to be patient and just see if that supply gets tapped. But what you can see is like you have some of these highs, like all of these highs have been, liquidated by this move, and that could be why price is stalling here. And reason I'll wait is, again, this could just be a lure for early sellers. So they see those highs get liquidated, then they see it's quite messy, but you're getting the minor break, and then they might see this as a supply, and they'll already think that the order flow has shifted, so they might start looking for sells. However, yeah, I just see this as a lure, which is actually just more liquidity for price to push up higher into the supply. So yeah, I'm not interested in trying to force any reversal trades. But if price does come down from here, instead we get an opportunity to take some longs from this demand and into the supply. So that could be a nice trade, which I would definitely look to take. Although keep in mind it could, go below that. But should be a strong zone to hold. So let's mark that. This should be a strong 4-hour demand. So it's pretty simple. Won't waste too much time on it. Let's look at GU. So yesterday I mentioned that we have good potential to look for shorts from this supply, and I did take a trade. I'll share that. It ended up being a loss. This one we didn't take, right? Because I explained that previously in the week. And here, you see price came in. We had the minor break. We had the liquidation of supply. And price actually went up higher again. And actually, this is on the 5-minute. There was another liquidation. And then, yeah, I entered on the minor break over here. So this was the entry on this minor break. We had a good reaction, but there was a red news event yesterday, and that gave the push, and then price just completely reversed. So unlucky, but yeah, I think the setup was clean. And today, I think it's still quite interesting again. It's not a minor break since you didn't have a candle close, but you have this 4-hour supply forming, so it just wicked on the 4 hours, so the supply is still valid, but obviously we're not going to trade that supply. This is the new supply zone. Let's mark it, this candle right here, and we can definitely look for something in here. A break, and then this looks like the supply, so we can wait for the break, liquidation, and then enter on the minor break like that. However, yeah, I think we'll have to find out if there really is or isn't NFP today. Definitely won't trade NFP, but otherwise this setup looks really good, because yeah, 4-hour, the trend is still very bearish. So yeah, we can look for some more short opportunities. But yeah, that's it for this week, and yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.